Oh man, guys, it's pouring rain right now. Weather don't look too good, but here's some good news. We're taking both the 370Z Nismo and the wide body GTRs behind Rhea's car. But since there's one of me, but two cars, she's gonna be driving the GTR. And with that being said, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content here in Hawaii. This is the channel for you. So we're actually running pretty late. We actually got home probably around 3 o'clock in the morning last night because we had a Christmas party with our old high school friends, and I'll just leave it as that. We're gonna go meet up with some friends though. Have fun. Oh, we just made the dumbest mistake. We forgot to grab the car keys. Almost forgot. Follow Definitive on Instagram as well. That's yours, that's mine. All right, let's go. Oh, would you look at that, guys? I'm not sure if you guys can see the second rainbow, but there's a double rainbow. You guys can see that prominent one. But oh man, just want to share just the beautiful things you see in Hawaii. And I really need coffee right now. Yeah, man, the fact that this car is out on the road with me and I'm not driving it, dude, this is so freaking dope, man. As soon as we pulled up, we got interviewed by the guys from Island Driver TV. So me and this fool's over here gonna be on TV. I mean, we're all the way out on the far end, and we got a lot of stuff to go down there. And it hasn't been, or it's been a pretty long while since we've had an actual Cars and Coffee, so it's good to have everybody out. But check out some cool cars today. Yo, not gonna lie, that's so freaking dope. Gallardo, such a timeless piece, man. Now this, boys, I've said it once and I'm gonna keep saying it till that dream comes true, but we are gonna one day cut up a Ferrari, man. Oh my god, just this red, guys, something about it that makes it so special. So crazy how lately in the past year, just the fact that like all cars, exotics, even like, you know, lower end JDM cars, like they actually appreciate in value in comparison to an actual depreciating, whatever you want to call it, consumer goods. But damn, boys, one day we're gonna wide body a Lambo and a Ferrari. I don't care how long it's gonna take me, but as long as it's gonna happen. Also got a shout out to Josh and Lucas for meeting up with us today. Damn, he got this thing just wide open, bro. And of course you got this dirty thing. Do I dare even wiping it? Nah. And we got another timeless piece over here, bro. What the, and it's a 6-speed. Damn. Bone freaking stock Toyota Supra. Now this, guys, absolutely super sick, super clean with the work wheels and the carbon steering wheel. I don't think I've ever seen an orange RX-7, and I really don't know that space, but if this is a stock color, that's super sick. Like, not gonna lie, especially in the different lighting, like you'll see red, but then you see orange. You know, I've never seen this before. I don't know how I feel about it. I love the color, but I don't, it'll grow on to me. I'll give a shout out to this 302 though. I wish I could fit in those seats, but still, I like that car. Oh, look at this. Aired the fuck out, bro. Damn, I wonder whose car is this? I wonder whose car is that? Another timeless piece right here, guys. If y'all can find a Lightning, keep it. Just keep it. Josh, it's your brother. Oh, that's sick. First time I see Advance in this color. It's like a chocolate, but with a hint of purple. Interesting. You don't see too many of these, but if you guys watch Drake and Josh, that's the car. That's the car from the movie. Yes, it was a Viper. It was an SRT Viper. I swear. If I'm wrong, goddamn. But I swear, I think it's a SRT Viper in that movie. Excuse me, sir. Mind if I interview you about your car?
What's up, dude? How's it going?
Oh, this is so sick, guys. Finally, we can do a nice walk around. So this is a Liberty Walk Type 2 GTR, but the only change that they have is the top secret front bumper. But that's what makes this build so special, is that you have the top secret bumper and a Liberty Walk kit on it. If there's one thing I really want to do on my car is have an extended side skirt, man. It just adds so much more flair to it, especially on the back end. Mark GTS over here, 57 Vet. Man, look at this clean interior and that red accent of everything. Literally, the dash, dials, seats, steering wheel. Oh my goodness. And you got the white walls. That's super badass. C8, 7, man. Two different monsters, but still supercharged GT500, all NA GT350. Damn, boy. This is so freaking dope. I want to say this is probably the coolest setup here. You got a big one and the little mini over there. I've said this before, I've said it many times, especially when we were at SEMA. There were just a bunch of Broncos. But I'm telling you guys, Broncos is gonna give everybody a run for their money. Toyota, Nissan, all of like the off-roading cars, even Jeeps. I really think the Bronco name is really trying to make a comeback. This is probably like the last one out, but damn, look at this Bel Air, bro. The first Bel Air I've ever saw in person was my old football coach. Shout out to Coach Brown, by the way. He probably shaped to who I am as well. But man, he had a Bel Air that looked kind of like this, but in a more like baby-ish blue. Something about Bel Airs, man. Bel Airs and Impalas. Sheesh. Oh, it's a sheepy race. Oh, that's cool to see one in Hawaii. Speaking of big and mini, look at that. Little coupe sitting on the carb. Being that I used to have a V6 Stang, I always wanted to do this to my very first car. Pro Charge, the 3.7 Cyclone engine. Oh, even got headers too on this. What is it, BBK? Oh yeah, those are BBKs. That's super sick. I want to say with the Pro Charger on a Cyclone, it can push close to upward about 500-ish horsepower. And just for a little sixer, got some little balls. Actually, I shouldn't have said that. For a sixer, it got some big balls. I just got called for a raffle, guys. Let's see what we got.
Congratulations.
Chips, a mug. What is this? A star? Oh, it's an ornament from Texaco. Nice. Good thing I only use their gas. And we got, ooh, what is this? What is this? Skittles. Nice. Had to step away from the raffles because I see somebody that I know. Oh! Yo! Smoke later.
I wasn't even gonna show up.
Oh.
I heard Lance brought it over.
Sick, bro. Damn. Catch the boys rolling out. Super clean, bro.
Alonzo 5305. Give me a salad.
New BRZ? What? All right, before we head out, because I don't want to get caught in the mess, just wanted to see these wide bodies over here. Red and blue, super dope. But man, I say most favorite car here today is the car with the Christmas tree on it. Merry Christmas. Now the day's not over yet. We're still gonna do a little bit more driving and then we're gonna go and get some food. But I'm just so, honestly guys, I'm just so happy to have both cars out. I've always wanted to do this. Now we just gotta get Rhea to learn how to drive stick. That way we can play around in that beauty over there. Oh my goodness, guys. Where is she? Where is she? Woo! Look at that beauty, guys. Such a proud moment, not gonna lie, guys. Oh my God. Absolutely beautiful. The fact that I'm driving this car and we can see our other car here, that's so freaking dope, man. Oh my God. So freaking... It just makes me so happy, guys. Like you have no idea. Just to see this car out, man. She's such a beauty. I don't even want to stop. Honestly, I don't even want to stop recording this. Oh my God. Now we have a good look at the rear. Guys, those 345s in the rear are so freaking meaty. Like just now I see it. So much meat in the back, man. I just wish we didn't catch nails in those tires, but still, super thick, meaty tires. It's honestly, it's just so cool to see this car out like that. All right, let's see what we can get out of this underpass. Not bad, not bad. Man, it's just something about those circle tail lights and the fact that we built this car here at home in Hawaii. It's just unbelievable, guys. I have no words at all. I'm just telling you guys right now, whoever watches my video, if you have a crazy ass idea, sometimes the most craziest ideas are your best ideas you ever had. So go after that crazy idea, because you never know what's gonna happen. All right, before we get lunch, one of the coolest things is that the Bluetooth system on the airlift suspension is pretty good range. So I'm in the next stall over, but let's see if we can air down the car while I'm sitting in the 370Z. That's so cool. And a little bit more, just a little bit more. All right, time to go eat. Look at how dirty this is. It's so bad. Well, we just got done eating lunch. We were blocked in for a good 10 minutes because Taco Bell is right there, and this whole area was just, yeah, it was just a mess. But let's get out of here before we end up getting stuck again. Ha, I lied. I just made the biggest mistake. I forgot to air up for real. Oh wait, no. There we go. All right. Now we're ready to go. And we're back home. Both cars are safe in the garage. How was it?
Interesting.
Did you have fun at least?
Yeah, except for that incident
When?
at Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, we didn't, okay, I didn't vlog that part. So someone tried cutting Rhea off, and like she was ready to like yeet them, you know. But
Held my horn down for like 5 seconds.
yeah, it's whatever. They crossed a double solid. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Probably gonna take a nap before we go to work, because we're super tired. We got home at what, 4 in the morning, and yeah, we woke up at 8, so super tired. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys haven't done so, subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.